Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to automate marketing with HubSpot using the easy method. This is a great way to build automatic message steps on your business setup so you can reply to your new customers instantly and never miss a sale. Let's get into it. First, go to the automatic path screen. The first step is to open your internet browser, sign into your main account dashboard, and find the menu page where the automatic workflow tools are kept. Open your browser, type your user details into the entry boxes, look at the top menu bar, and click on the Automation option. Click on the word Workflows from the small list that drops down, and tap the orange button to create a new blank path. Because you cannot set up automatic actions from your basic home screen, you have to open this specific design room so the system gives you the tools to map out your customer steps. Without this step, you would just be looking at your regular contact list instead of building a smart system. Next, choose your starting trigger action. You need to pick the exact action a customer takes that will cause the system to start running your automatic path. Click on the top box on your screen, select the trigger option, and choose a rule like Customer fills out a form. Select the exact contact form from your website list that you want the computer to watch out for, because the computer needs to know exactly when to start working for you. By setting up this clear starting rule, you tell the system to wait quietly until a real person types their information onto your site. It ensures your machine only moves when a real event happens. Next, add an automatic email step. Now you need to tell the system to send an automatic letter to the person as soon as they trigger your starting rule. Click the small plus sign underneath your starting box, select the Send Email action block, and pick your pre-made greeting letter. Double-check the text boxes to make sure your letter has a friendly subject line and says hello automatically, because it saves you from typing the exact same greeting message to hundreds of different people every day. By locking this letter step into your path, the computer will instantly shoot out the email the second a buyer submits their name. It is the key step to getting the right output because it makes your business look fast and professional. Next, turn on your path to make it live and active. The final step is to review all your connected boxes on your screen, check for any mistakes, and flip the main switch to start the automatic system. Move your eyes to the top right corner of your page, click the blue Review and Publish button, and then click Turn On. Watch the little status dot change from gray to a bright green color to show that your path is active. Because your automatic design will sit completely frozen in draft mode until you give it the final green light. Once you turn the switch on for your business task, the system takes over completely and handles your incoming web traffic 24 hours a day. Now your setup is completely finished and your marketing runs on its own. And that's it. To automate marketing with HubSpot, you must first go to the automatic path screen inside your Workflows menu. Then you choose your starting trigger action, like a form submission. Next, you add an automatic email step to send out your letters. Finally, you turn on your path to make it live and active. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.